Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. The table shows information about the number of mobile phones owned by each of 40 families. Write down the information in the table, write down the mode. Now, mode is the single most common value in the table. So we can see here that the frequency is already given to the number of cell phones. So what does this mean? So it means that 0 is repeated once, but 1 is repeated 5 times. So it's actually just simplifying the table for us. So if we're able to find the highest frequency, we can find out what the mode is. And the highest number here is 12. Now 12 is not our answer. Our answer is actually 2. Why is that? It just says that 2 is repeated 12 times. So 12 is not our answer because 2 is our mode. So we write here 2. Work out the mean. Okay. Now to find out the mean, we have to find the total. And as I said before, 0 is repeated once, 1 is repeated 5 times. So we actually have to find the total amount of mobile phones and divide that by the sum of the frequency. So let's do that. 0 times 1 plus 1 times 5 plus 2 times 12 plus 3 times 9 plus 4 times 11 plus 5 times 2. Okay, so let's simplify that. Anything multiplied by 0 is just 0. So we write here 0 plus 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 11 is 44. And 5 times 2 is 10. And if we add all these values together, we get 110. But we are not done yet. The mean is the total divided by the quantity. So we actually have to find the sum of the frequency as well. So the sum of the frequency is 1 plus 5 plus 12 plus 9 plus 11 plus 2. And that is 40. So our final answer is 110 divided by 40. Let's see if we can simplify this. 110 divided by 40 gives us 2.75 as the mean. 2.75 phones per family. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.